If you're seeing the GOG Error E8, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can help you get GOG Galaxy working again fast. This issue is often caused by permission problems, security software blocking the app, or not having enough free space for an update or patch to unpack properly. So we'll go through the most effective steps one by one, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to try first. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick PC fixes and gaming tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, completely exit GOG Galaxy. Make sure it's closed in the background too, not just minimized. Then right-click the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in your start menu and choose Run as Administrator. Running the app with admin rights can fix permission-related issues that stop GOG from launching or updating correctly. Once it opens, try the action again and see if the E8 error is gone. If the problem is still there, the next thing to do is check your antivirus and firewall settings. Sometimes Windows Security or another antivirus program can block GOG Galaxy from connecting properly or writing files during an update. To do that, open the Windows Start menu and search for Virus and Threat Protection. Click on it, then select Manage Settings. Scroll down until you see Add or Remove Exclusions. This is where you can tell Windows not to interfere with GOG Galaxy. Choose Add an Exclusion, select Folder, and then browse to your GOG Galaxy installation folder. Add that folder as an exclusion so Windows Defender doesn't scan or block its files while the client is running. If you use a third-party antivirus, you may also need to add the same folder to its exceptions list or temporarily disable it just long enough to test whether it's causing the issue. After that, try GOG Galaxy again and check if the error is resolved. Another very important thing to check is free storage space on your drive. A lot of people overlook this, but game updates and patches often need temporary space that can be equal to the full size of the game itself while the files are being unpacked and installed. So even if it looks like you have a little room left, that may not be enough. Make sure the drive where the game is installed has plenty of free space available before you try updating again. If needed, remove unused files, uninstall games you don't play, or move files to another drive to create enough room. Once you've done that, restart your PC and try the update or launch process one more time. In many cases, one of these three steps will solve the GOG Error E8 completely. So to recap, run GOG Galaxy as administrator, add antivirus and firewall exclusions for the GOG folder, and verify you have enough free space for the update to unpack properly. If you're still having trouble after that, leave a comment with the exact error you're seeing, and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it further. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy fixes, game launcher tips, and PC troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.